An idiot fixes an iPod. Again, this is the third one. This is my mini. It's a 2005 model. The battery's cacked in it, and I decided why not put an 8GB compact flash card, because why not? So that's what I'm going to do. Yes, doofy. That part's off. Yes. Yeah. I don't think you saw that, but this thing is Yambuli. Oh, that is old ass tape. What? My finger down. Oh, the adhesive is gone. Oh, I don't have any adhesive when I think about it. Shit. Hope it just buttons back up. I'm a bad cameraman, dude. I'm too busy focusing on this. Oh my god, I bent it. Bent my tool. Aw. That's a shame, actually. Oh well. I don't want to go near the ribbon cable because I know my dumbass will break it. Yay! The ribbon cable looks like it's intact. I don't have anything plastic to thread it. Somewhere you find me holding me. You can not see any of this. By the entry. That's cut that out. Need a screwdriver for the top now. Alright, where's my screws? Here are my screws. Pull out my screws. Pretty nice. Do I just pry this out now? Oh boy, here we go. Let's go. All of that. Have I damaged anything on the board? No, it's perfect. Yeah. Yeah, nothing's broken. Okay. Whew. Beep, beep, Interesting, eh? It won't go back the normal way. I want to do it like that, but then it might catch. Oh. I'll come back to you later.
Eventually.
I've been using this iPod for the past few days now. It's been going pretty well. The repair was a success. I had to cut it off because shit was just happening. And I wasn't really getting the right camera angle, but yeah. Thing works well. Great repair.